In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a Wix FAQ page. We'll start in the Wix dashboard. Open your site and click Edit Site. In the editor, head to Pages, then Pages and Menu, and choose Add. Pick Blank Page, name it FAQ, and click Done. Make sure you're actually on that new FAQ page so everything you add appears in the right place. Giving the page a clear name also helps when you build your site menu later. Next, add the Wix FAQ section. In the editor, click Add, go to Elements, open Search, and type FAQ. Select Wix FAQ. If it's your first time, choose Add or Open to install it from the app market. Once it's ready, drag the FAQ section onto your page and position it where you want it to live. Now let's manage the content. Inside the FAQ section, click Manage FAQs. In the panel, organize your questions into categories so visitors can scan quickly. For example, a category called General FAQs. Remove any extra default categories you don't need and rename the ones you keep to match your content and tone. Edit the questions that appear by default. Click Edit on a question, change the question text and the answer, and click Save. Keep questions short and clear and lead with the most important information in your answers. Need more? Click Add Question, fill it out, and save. If there are questions you don't want, delete them to keep the list focused. Preview your work to check spacing, readability, and behavior. Click Preview to see how the FAQ looks on the page. If something feels off, return to the editor and adjust the FAQ section. You can resize the section, switch the display layout between options like Expand, Classic, or Strip, and fine-tune title alignment, height, and spacing until it feels balanced. Style the FAQ so it matches your site. In the section's settings, explore the display options. Choose whether answers open on click, then tune the fonts, colors, and icons to align with your brand. Keep sufficient contrast for accessibility and be consistent with the typography used elsewhere on your site. When everything looks right, make it live. Click Publish so your new FAQ page is available to visitors. Your Wix site now has a clean, expandable FAQ with custom questions and answers you can revisit anytime to add or update content. And if you'd like, you can repeat the same process to place additional FAQ sections on other pages, such as the home page